Abigail, Mommy got you some presents. What's in the box? I'll show you. Christmas shoes. Do you want me to put one on your foot? Would you like to try one on? Okay. See if it fits. Well, good luck. Good luck, Mommy, getting my fat foot in there. Yeah, right. Okay, suck it in. Well, curl your toes, because that makes it easy to put your shoe on. Put your foot in all the way. Not just a minute. Ooh, so pretty. Ooh. What did you think, Missy? Do you like us? Are they pretty? Do you like your new shoes? What do you think of these ones? You want me to try one of these on? Yeah? I don't know why they would do that. Okay, let me see this foot. This pair comes with a book. You are so awesome. There's a trick to putting kids' shoes on. Wow. Hey, is this your piggy? It's supposed to be up here. Oh! Mommy, you're supposed to take the cotton out first. Let's try that again. Okay, I put it on now. This time, all the way down. This time. What do you think, Missy? What do you think of your new shoes? Do you like those ones the best? These are her Christmas shoes. She'll wear them for Christmas too. What do you think, Missy? Let's see what's in the box. Okay, can you say thank you?